Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hijabadore here, and today I'm here with my BOXYCHARM right here that I already opened. Duh. And when I saw the products, I was like, I want to create a whole look with the products because after such a long time, the BOXYCHARM actually hit the spot for me. But if you're just here for the unboxing, I'm gonna quickly show you what I got in my box, and then I'm gonna get into the makeup tutorial. So if you want to see the products in action, you would have to keep on watching. Otherwise, here is how it looks like right here, like this. And then there's some cards in here. The theme is Rock 2018. So this is my first BOXYCHARM of 2018. I just realized that. But yeah, so this is the card, and I don't know why we got this little card. It just has all the ingredients of the Dr. Brandt's Pores No More primer that we have in here. But here are all the products listed on the back of the card that tells you about the products a little bit, and also the prices of the products. This is how it looks like. There is this Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Luminizer Primer right there. I have been a big fan of Dr. Brandt's Pores No More primer, the regular one that actually fills in my pores. So I'm assuming that this is going to illuminate and fill in my pores. This retails for $38. And then the next thing in here is this It Cosmetics Brow Power. And the shade is Universal Taupe. And this pencil retails for $24, and it comes with a pencil on one side, spoolie on the other side. Okay, and then this is the palette that we got in here. This is Glam Metals from Crown Pro. This retails for $25, and this is pretty nice. I love the packaging of it, and this is how the palette looks like. It's really cute. I actually really love the packaging, and I love the little mirror in here. It's really pretty. The second last thing is this. This is Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. And let me open it up. I fell in love with this palette. Like, I saw this and I just died. I haven't tried anything out yet. You're gonna see me my first impressions, but this is how the palette looks like, and I feel like it looks really pretty. And then the last but not the least is this little thing. This is called Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Primer. Lip Plumper, not primer, actually. It retails for $27, and this is in shade Sunset Orange. I hate orange lipsticks on me, but let's see how this does. And okay, so it has a nice button on the back, like right here. You press it and then the product just gets out, I guess. Holy crap, this is so cool. Damn. Okay, but I feel like this would be just like a little lip stain, or like something that would go under my lipstick or something, because I don't think that this is a lipstick, because it's not as opaque or as pigmented. Like, you do see a nice stain, but I don't know. That would be good for like a natural makeup look, but for me, I need to wear a lipstick today because the look that I have in my head, that wouldn't work with just a little lip stain. So yeah, we'll see what we do. So that's all what I got in my BOXYCHARM this month. So you pay $21 with free shipping if you're in the USA, and if you're in Canada, I think you pay like $5 for shipping, and you get all of these full-size products. And I actually really like all the products that I got today. I haven't tried any of that out yet, but I just really like the concept of this box, and I feel like they have given a very good start to the 2018. So I'm really excited to try all of these products out today. And also, there's a link down below in the description box. If you use my link to sign up for BOXYCHARMS, there's a very little commission that I make. So yeah, if you want to help me out like that, that'd be great. If not, that's cool as well. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel before we get into the tutorial, and make sure that you're following me on Instagram as well, because sometimes I don't do BOXYCHARM unboxings on my channel and I usually do them on Instagram if I don't have time and stuff. So yeah, do make sure that you follow me there as well. And I also have a Twitter if you want to follow me there, why not? And that's it for the unboxing, and let's get started with the makeup tutorial. The first thing that I'm going to be applying is this primer, the Luminizer primer. I've been a big fan of their Pores No More primer, so let's see. I don't know if it's actually filling in my pores. And my nails are stained because of the curry powder, so don't even go there. I don't think that this is filling in my pores. Actually, it looks nice on the camera, but when I'm looking at it in the mirror, it's just looking like a moisturizer, you know, like other luminizing primers. Oh my god, I was really hoping that this was gonna be like my dream come true, pore minimizing and an illuminating primer, but why do I think that it's not? It does feel a lot more thicker than my other illuminating primers, but I do still see some of the pores on my face. It does not feel like my Pores No More pore minimizing primer, and this doesn't even claim to be a pore minimizing primer, but for it to be from their Pores No More line, I was actually really thinking that this was gonna really fill in my pores. I would know better once I go in with the foundation and, you know, if I can still see my pores, but I do think that this feels very nice. It does kind of feel like Huda Beauty's primer. It does feel sticky as well, and also I do like the feel of it compared to my other illuminating primers. That's all what I would say. Alright, so the foundation that I'm gonna be going in is this bad boy. This is the Urban Decay's All Nighter foundation. I am just gonna show you the foundation application just to show you how the foundation sits on this primer. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. Since this foundation is really thick and kind of drying, I feel like it's really going well with the primer, because the primer is more like a moisturizer. And wow, I even forgot to do my brows. I like to do that before my foundation, but I'm gonna do it after my foundation, didn't I? Next time I would try this with a more skin-like foundation, but today we'll just have to deal with this. And I actually am not complaining about the primer at all. The primer actually really looks good on the skin, and I feel like because of that primer, this foundation is not looking as cakey as it looked last time when I tried it. And now I'm gonna do my brows using the It Cosmetics brow pencil in Universal Taupe. I don't know if it's gonna match me, so we just have to pray. Okay, this might match me. This is the tip of it. Right off the bat, I feel like I would appreciate if the spoolie was a little bit longer, because it's just too close to my face when I'm using it. I like the spoolie to be a little bit longer so the pencil doesn't touch my face, if you know what I mean. So this shade is pretty cool toned. Okay, so don't worry, I'm gonna clean up around them with a concealer or something, but I'm gonna do that off camera. I also recently posted my brow tutorial on my Instagram as well. I just want to say that this does not look like the usual brow shade that I wear. It looks a little bit too cool toned, a little bit too gray. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, I'm actually looking at myself in the monitor. If you've watched me do my brows, you would know that after doing the cream product, I always go back in with a powder to just set my cream. So I'm just gonna go in with my Sleek eyebrow kit, and this is in shade medium. I'm just gonna use the powder part right here. Okay, so my whole face is basically done. Now it's time for me to do the eyes, and then I'll do the contour and everything later. And I still haven't set my brows. I do that once I'm done with my eye makeup, so I'll do that later. Don't think that I forgot, Okay, so we need a transition shade in here, which I don't have. This is all metals. I forgot. There's only this one black metal shade right here that is not metallic. Otherwise, all of these shades have shimmer in it, so we're gonna need another palette. So right on it. So I'm using this shade from Makeup Geek called Barcelona Beach. This eyeshadow also came in one of my BOXYCHARMs. So I'm gonna take the black metal now. Okay, I don't notice a lot of fallout, that is for sure. And I also like the shades that they're blending nicely, because I feel like the grays and blacks are really hard to blend, and this is not a black shade. This is more on a gray side of a black shade. So I'm still working with the same shade, just using the same transition shade I used earlier just to smoke out the crease. And now in the center, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Heavy Metal. And right above that, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Punk, just to pop it a little bit more. And now I'm just gonna go back in with the black metal shade. And I'm gonna take the same shade Punked right here, and I'm gonna apply it right here, like right there. I don't know how to show you. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use this pencil from Lancome, and this is called Drama Liquid Pencil Extreme Longwear. Guys, this pencil literally applies like a liquid. It dries even like a liquid, and it does not move. So I'm just gonna use this as an eyeliner, and the shade is Boards de Seine. I don't know how to say that. I'm just basically using it to tightline, and also I'm applying very little bit just to line the lash line. Now I'm using the mascara Lancome Hypnoise Drama, and the lashes I'm going to be using are these Eyelure Mink Effect lashes in Platinum Princess. And guys, I've been in love with these, so I'm going to be using this today. Now I'm setting my brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Setting Gel. Okay, so about the lip product, it says that it will take 3 to 5 minutes for it to plump up my lips. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the lip product right now while I do my contour and other stuff, and then we'll apply the lipstick because I just want the product to plump up my lips. But whatever, my lips are tingly as F. It's burning. But that's what all the lip plumpers do, so it's nothing to be scared about. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just gonna swatch. Holy crap, these are crazy soft, and I just got so much on my fingers. But here are the swatches. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this Summer Fling from Makeup Geek. And then on top of that, I'm going to use that Pure. Let's see if we can do something. No, I'm just going to take a very fluffy brush, and I'm just going to tap very lightly in here, called Blushing Glow. So I'm just going to apply it very lightly on top of my blush, just to get that glow. This is giving me a very nice flushed effect with some glow. And then we're gonna go in with the center shade, which is Afterglow. And what I'm gonna do, since it's too white for me, I'm just gonna mix these two a little bit, like very little bit of this one, very lightly, because I don't want my highlight to be too dark. And then I'm gonna take this one. Okay, now I'm gonna apply this lipstick, which is Pink Velvet from Lime Crime. Alright guys, so this was my first time wearing Pink Velvet from Lime Crime, and this is so freaking sticky. It's so hard to work with this lipstick. Oh my god. I've used other Lime Crime lipsticks, but this is just crazy bad. And now I'm just using this little pink shade from my Aphrodite palette from shophush.com. I have a code with them if you check down below in the description box. This palette is only $10, by the way. But I'm just using this pink shade from here just to set my lips so I'm able to talk, because I'm not even able to talk because this is just keeps sticking. I'm not really used to wearing lips like this. It's just looking too plumped up and too big for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my scarf, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. Alright guys, so this is the whole look. I still feel like the primer looks amazing. I still haven't set my face with the setting spray because I just don't want to, because I feel like I'm gonna mess up my lips. That's why I did not even spray my face with a setting spray. But I do like my eyeshadows a lot. I do like how the eyeshadows blended and everything, and I still think that my lips are looking really big. This is not the normal size of my lips unless they're face tuned or anything, but right now they look really big and I really like it. But I wish that I went with some other lipstick. I'm in love with the highlight. I am loving the primer. I'm loving the eyeshadows. The brows are actually looking pretty nice. The whole time I was so freaking skeptical about them, but I feel like that warm powder that I used just kind of made them a little bit me, because in the beginning they were actually looking a lot more gray. But in here I did not apply no powder on the inner areas of my brows, and these do look a little bit more gray, but I don't mind. It just gives a very nice natural effect to my brows, so you know, just has that ombre-ish thing going on. Everything is popping. Great job, BOXYCHARM. If you want to sign up for your BOXYCHARM, again, the link is in the description box down below. You can sign up. And I feel like that's it for this video, guys. Take care, have fun, be safe, and bye.